Hey Nathan, my name's Sean here at Tameron Honda. I'm going to be your true car specialist here at the dealership. Thank you for your inquiry on the 2019 Honda Civic. I have the EX exactly like you wanted. In the blue, a couple of things. You got aluminum alloy wheels, high intensity halogen lights, daytime running lights. You also get the fog lights on this package. There's a camera here and a radar here, and that's part of your sensing. Your sensing is your lane keeping assist, your adaptive cruise control. If that car in front of you stops, so will this one. If you veer outside of the lane, this one's going to help you get right back in the lane. Let me show you the inside real quick. You have keyless entry. So with your key in your pocket, all you do is grab your handle. It automatically unlocks. You have the Apple CarPlay. So you plug your phone up. You can say, "Hey Siri, call Sean." "Hey Siri, text Sean," and it's automatically going to be texting. You also have all your controls on your steering wheel, along with your electric park and brake, econ mode, and your brake hold. There's so many features that I want to go over this car. I want to show it to you from top to bottom. Call me. We'll set up an appointment. My number is 205-965-5788. I can promise you one thing: when you get here, you're going to love the way you're treated.